Доброе утро, привет, добро пожаловать на мой канал. Why доброе утро? Because I'm filming in the morning, but you will watch this video in the evening. So, my name is Nastya. People call me Natasha on comments. You can call me Tatiana, Svetlana, Lyudmila, any Russian name you like. I'm your Russian language teacher, and today we're going to write cursive in Russian. The first three last letters. If you want to start from the beginning, I have a full playlist. It is called Russian Cursive, and you can start from the beginning. But today we are going to learn to write very interesting Russian letters, the last three letters of the Russian alphabet: Ю, Я. Давайте начнем. Let's begin. Prepare your Russian language textbook, notebooks. And let's start. Давайте начнем. Так. So, This is in Russian. Very easy to write, right? And to create a connection, please. Now let's connect it with small e. This is capital E. Let's connect it with small e. We have a connection here, so just do this. And create another connection. Don't forget to copy my pronunciation, look at my mouth, and pronounce letter like I do. Now let's connect E with another letter and let's write a syllable. R, E with R, E. Create a connection and go up, down, and R letter. R. Now let's connect E with T, for example, and let's write et. Sorry, извините. Create a connection. And now T letter. Step by step. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Et. Молодцы, отлично. Now let's connect it with K and write ek. A connection. And K letter. Ek. 1, 2, 3. Ek. So we have R, et, ek. Let's see. And the last syllable with the capital E letter is ev. Create a connection. Ev. And go up and down. Ev. And create another connection. Ev. Now with small e, let's write a few syllables with small e, and then we'll write down some words. Ek. Create a connection. Go up. 1, 2, 3. Ek. Now L. And let's connect it with L letter. L. 1, 2, 3. L. Now M. A letter. Don't forget about the connection. And now M letter. M. 1, 2, 3. M. And the last syllable is ev. Connection. And V letter, like here, go up. Ev. And down. And create a connection. Ev. Now let's write some words. I will write words. You have to recognize them. Of course, I will write them cursive. What did I write here? Write the answer in comments. One more word. The answer with the correct response, I will pin it under my video. So you will see the correct answer. So I have two words that you have to recognize, and one more word is okay. Now let's continue with the U letter. It's a very beautiful Russian letter, and I will show you how to write it down. So it looks like that. In the book you will see it like that when you read, but when we write it like that. Look. So, один, go down, U, and add a big O here. U, and of course create a connection. U. And now the small U letter, 1, 2, 3, and create a connection. Yay, that's all. U. Now let's connect capital U with R, and let's write your. So 1, 2, 3, 4. U, create a connection, and R letter. We'll write it like here. Here we have the R letter. 1, 2. Your. Now you'll. 1, 2, 3, 4, and create a connection. You'll. Now L letter. 1, 2. You'll. Now let's continue with the small U. 1, 2. You. To connect it, we will connect it from here like this. Your, for example, your. Okay, so the connection will be from here. Your. Now youth. Again, 1, 2, 3, and create a connection. Youth. And from here goes down. 1, 2. Youth. Now use. Let's connect U with Z letter. 1, 2. Use. 1, 2. Use. Отлично. Use. And now let's connect it with V. Юв. Давайте оранжевым маркером. 1, 2, 3. Юв. Okay, like this. And create another connection. Юв. Молодцы, отлично. And now I will write some words. You have to recognize them and to write in the comments what words did I write on the board. For example, here we made the connection from down because L we can't create a connection here like with other letters. So This is the first word. The second word is okay. I'm curious if you will recognize this word. And the last word is let me think. Yeah. So the next word is okay, this one. So the connection is free here from below because I couldn't create it here. This letter starts here. Okay, хорошо. And the last letter is ya. The last letter of the Russian alphabet is ya. So, 1, 2, 3. Ya. Ya. Let's connect it to... The connection is too long here. 1, 2, 3. Ya. Ya. Let's connect it with yar, with R letter. 1, 2, 3, and R. Go down and like this. Yar. Yar. Now yav. 1. Ya. Go up. V. Yav. 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 Now yal. Yal. 1, 2, and L letter. Yal. Yal. And one more with T. Yat. Ya. Yat. 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 Now small ya. 1, 2, 3. Small ya. Let's connect it with L. Yal. Yal. Yat. 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 Like this. Yat. Yav. Yav. Go up, down, v. And create a connection. Yav. And now yaz. Yaz. And Z letter like this. Yaz. Yaz. And the last one is yak. 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 And a few words and we are done. The first word is if you recognized this word, write it in comments. The next word is okay. One more word. Okay. Did you recognize it? Write in chat. Write in chat. And one more word and we are done, I promise. Okay. Вот и все. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great evening. Хорошего вечера. И увидимся с вами завтра утром. See you tomorrow in the morning for my live lessons. Целую вас. Пока. Чмоки-чмоки.